my teacher asked me whether I belong to some other country or I'm from any other state or I'm from Odisha.
Okay. The best answer you should have given her is, or him is, I am trying here really hard to improve my English, and you are there to help me. If you're not doing that, then you're not doing a good job. And it doesn't matter which country I'm from. ओके
Yes,
इस
sir.
बात से मुझे एक चीज समझ में आई, एक चीज मतलब समझ में नहीं आई। एक बात है कि मतलब अपने अपने देश में ना ये चीज है कि आप अगर इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहो, इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट एन एनवायरनमेंट एज वेल, देयर आर पीपल हु विल पुल योर लेग टू ब्रिंग यू डाउन। ओके, अपने पैर खींच के नीचे गिराने वाले लोग बहुत हैं। ओके, सो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूंगा अभी, ना सिर्फ इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए बट लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, और अगर आगे नहीं बढ़ने के लिए तो खुश रहने के लिए कम से कम, surround yourself with positive energy. Okay, identify positive people and surround yourself with them. It's very important.
Yes, sir. Correct.
तो वही मैं आपसे बोलना चाहूंगा कि अगर आपके पास ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं आपको जो आपके इंग्लिश बोलने पे ऐसे बिहेव करें जैसे आप किसी और देश से हैं या कोई एलियन है, just don't talk to them after that. Okay, but before you stop talking to them, just make them realize what what they are doing to you. बस उन्हें ये एहसास दिलाओ कि वो क्या गलती कर रहे हैं, वो अपना जॉब ठीक से नहीं कर रहे हैं। अगर आपका टीचर आपको ये बोलता है कि आप इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो तो आप कहीं बाहर से आए हो, राइट, तो वो आपको ना जॉब सही से नहीं कर रहे हैं। कभी कभी हम लोगों को एहसास दिलाना पड़ता है दूसरों को कि वो अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहे, राइट?
Sir,
यस ऐश्वर्या।
sir, how to achieve consistency, sir, in any area? When we talk about English, we will decide that we have to write something daily, but we will end it up within 3 to 4 days, sir.
No, it won't happen. All you need to do is, it's a self-promise, I would say, Aishwarya. Consistency is nothing but challenging yourself and, living up to your own promises, right? Consistency, okay. See, I'm a biggest, I would say, I'm a very big cricket fan, okay? I hope everybody understands cricket. If I give an example from it, it will be relevant to everyone. I hope. Aishwarya, especially for you, because this is your question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope. Okay, tell me which sport you like. Do you like any sport?
Volleyball, archery.
Archery. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know any player from those sports. Okay, let me give an example from cricket. Okay, so you know that Kohli is the most consistent batsman and he is the most successful batsman at this moment, right? And Sachin
Yes.
was there 10 years back, right? So how are they consistent? Have you ever read about them? Have you ever heard
With
about
practice, sir, with hard work, with practice.
them? More than that, it's the self-determination, right? More than practice, see, hard work, practice, all these things comes when you challenge yourself. If I don't challenge myself today, that I have to do something tomorrow, I won't do it, right? It's about, it's about playing a game with yourself. If you're saying that you write 3 days and 4th day you don't feel like writing again, that means you're not challenging yourself. And if you don't challenge yourself, you can't challenge anybody else in this world.
So, but yeah, I do feel this, sir, but it's very difficult while practicing.
I know whatever I'm
to make
saying.
it possible.
I know whatever I'm saying. It's very easy to say, but hard to do.
Yes, sir.
That's true. But
It's
great
not
people
only
have,
difficult, it's very difficult, sir.
yeah, that's correct. So the thing is, the difference between the successful person and I mean, not us, a successful person and a failure is that they do it and we don't do it.
Sir, but consistency in speaking English is not difficult at all.
Yeah, it is not. You just have to, do it regularly. As I said,
It
right?
just depends on what we want, our wish.
Yeah. So मैंने जैसा बोला ना कि हम लोगों ने, आप अंकित से कभी पूछो कि कभी वो इंजीनियरिंग में जाने के पहले 10 सेंटेंस भी इंग्लिश के बोलता था क्या दिन में? नहीं. So it's about, the requirement. Okay. कंसिस्टेंसी आपको दो चीजों से मिलेगी, एक तो सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन से, राइट, और रिक्वायरमेंट से. Let's say that you are in an environment where nobody speaks your native language, then you need to get into their some sort of language which way you can communicate with the other person, right? So I lived my last 7 years in India, in South. Okay, when I say South, I lived in Bangalore, then I lived in Chennai, right? So the only way of communicating with people was English. The person who don't know, at least in Bangalore, people know Hindi, but that was not the case in Chennai, right? So the only way to communicate was in English. So the consistency came from my determination that I want to learn it. Okay, and the second thing was the requirement. There was a need. Okay, if I don't speak, I can't survive. So in that way, I had to be consistent, right? There was some times which, where we will hesitate and we will not get the correct thing, but it's all about practicing and challenging yourself. And again, we are coming back to those same words, challenging yourself. I would say that's the most important thing.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I hope I am, giving you guys answer, but I'm just telling you what my experience have been.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aparna. Great. और कुछ कोई बोलना चाहेगा, कोई पूछना चाहेगा, या कोई
Yes,
अपना
sir.
एक्सपीरियंस अगर बताना चाहो तो
आप
प्लीज
सभी
फील
लोग,
फ्री.
एक मिनट, सभी लोग प्लीज, आप लोग कुछ तो बोलो प्लीज.
Yes, sir, I want to tell something.
ओके.
हाय निधि.
Sir, as soon as Ankit sir said, those who took your class today, he is from Australia. So I was very curious to know who is the person and to want to see. And now it's great to hear you. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
I am not from Australia. I am living in Australia. I am from Malachkhand, Madhya Pradesh. If you know the
Yes,
place.
sir. Yes, it's too good because I am also from Malachkhand.
Oh, that's great ना, बहुत बढ़िया निधि. मेरा घर पौनी में है, अगर आप पौनी जानती होंगी. It's a very small
Yes,
town
sir.
in Malachkhand and Baiyar near
Yes,
Mogaon.
sir.
So अगर I mean निधि आप जानती होंगी कि मतलब कितनी छोटी जगह है वो. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कोई बहुत बड़ी जगह से या कोई बहुत बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म से हम लोग आए हैं, लेकिन it's all about your own practice. And as I said, see, there are 3 things very important. अगर आपको नीड नहीं होगी तो आप कभी वो काम नहीं करोगे जो आपको करना है. दूसरी चीज की, अगर आप में डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं होगा तो भी आप नहीं करोगे. और तीसरी चीज की, अगर आपको इन्वायरमेंट नहीं मिलेगा तो शायद आपकी नीड हो, शायद आपकी डिटर्मिनेशन हो, लेकिन अगर इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है तो शायद उतना मतलब निखार ना आए, कहना चाहिए, राइट? तो
Yes.
जैसे चाय बनाने के लिए चाय पत्ती, शक्कर, दूध, तीनों चीज चाहिए होती है, वैसे ही मतलब
Yes, sir.
इस चीज के लिए भी हमें
अदरक
सारी
भी
चीजें
चाहिए.
एक साथ चाहिए.
अदरक भी
Right.
चाहिए.
हाँ, अदरक भी चाहिए. अगर मुझे अदरक वाली
नहीं ना, नेसेसरी नहीं है, जरूरी नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है ना, टेस्ट बढ़ाना है हमको.
ये सब तो फिर तो
अच्छा.
मतलब क्या कहना चाहिए, वो श्रृंगार हो गया चाय का.
Okay.
The accessories are also important.
Yes.
Like things are important in tea.
Yeah, that's correct. तो देखो बेसिक चीज है चाय बनाना. जब अपन चाय बनाना सीख लेते हैं उसके बाद उसमें थोड़ा अदरक भी डाल दो, थोड़ी इलायची डाल दो, राइट. कभी कभी एवरेस्ट का टी मसाला डाल दो.
Okay,
तो
so we can add
सेम चीज है
idioms
चाय
and
बनाना.
phrases in conversation. Okay, like that, like a ginger in a tea, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So anyone of the class who want to say something? I think I have to, ask to personally. Say, Kalia, do you want to say something about English language? Hello. Okay. So, do you want to say
Okay.
something about English language and problems and anything?
Excuse me, guys.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, continue. Aparna.
So I'm not going to ask anything, but I would like to share my one of a experience about English language. Can I?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. You don't have to ask that.
Thank you, sir. When I was in class 10th in our class, it is a rule that in English period everybody has to speak in English, and if anybody don't, then he had to give a fine of 10 rupees. Okay, so in all periods like maths, they used to speak Hindi. In Sanskrit, they used to speak Sanskrit. But in English period, all the students, most of the students, used to keep shut their mouth, and they was doing like playing dumb chariots in class for passing the books and asking about taking water and talking each other like that.
Yeah, I know the reason of this. The problem is this experience everybody must have had upon for sure. Okay, and the problem is कि हम लोगों ने ना इंडिया में ना अंग्रेजी को इंग्लिश को एक हवा बना दिया, राइट. इंग्लिश अगर आप जनरल नॉलेज की बात करो ना तो इंग्लिश इज द थर्ड मोस्ट स्पोकन लैंग्वेज इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, पहली है मैंड्रिन जो कि चाइना में बोली जाती है. आई मीन बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ कोर्स वो सबसे ज्यादा बोली जाने वाली लैंग्वेज हो गई. बट अगर आप चाइना को छोड़ दो तो दूसरी है स्पेनिश, राइट. तीसरी है इंग्लिश. Just because Britishers were there in our country, we had to learn this language. मगर आप किसी पौंडीचेरी वाले बंदे से पूछो या बंदी से पूछो तो वो बोलेगा कि they have learned French as well because historically French people were there in Pondicherry. अगर आप किसी गोवा वाले बंदे से पूछो तो वो पोर्टुगीज भी पढ़ता है क्योंकि पोर्टुगीज वहां थे, right? So it's all about what has been pressed on you. And the second thing is English is used as a business language in the world. अगर आप दुनिया के लेवल पे देखोगे तो इंग्लिश यूज होती है, इसलिए इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाती है. बट अल्टीमेटली इट इज जस्ट लैंग्वेज. और जो आपके साथ जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है वो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हम लोग जो है उस लैंग्वेज को ना हवा बना देते हैं. We need to understand, and the society and the kids most importantly they need to understand, and I think nowadays the new generation is understanding this. But मतलब हम लोगों का जो मतलब 90s born या late 90s born थे, हम लोगों के लिए still this was a हवा, right? तो वही एक प्रॉब्लम है और इसीलिए ही ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं. I hope you guys agree with me on this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So वही है कि
Because of families also, no?
sorry Sonia.
It's because of family also. Like whenever
Yeah.
we try to, have a word with our parents, because maximum time we spend with them. So
Yeah.
they refuse or they're not comfortable with it. And
See,
when we, Mhm.
it's not their fault actually, because see, they're not comfortable with it, right? We are the ones who are. I'm not saying that your parents might not be able to speak or communicate with that on the same language, but if you just take an average person in India, their parents, if they might not be able to speak the language you are trying to speak, right? So it's not their fault. So I mean, कहना चाहिए कि एक तरीके से ये किसी की गलती नहीं है, but
They understand it, but they resist it to, use it further. And, like when I was a child, तो उस time पे मेरा भी English टूटा फूटा चलता था. So I think कि वो एक age होती है जहाँ पे you can, spend time with your children and you can, see what they are doing. And वो एक basic age रहता है जहाँ पे आपका थोड़ा बहुत और growth possible रहता है. तो families में इतना नहीं आता, इस वजह से भी कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे वो चीज lack कर जाते हैं. This
that's
is what
true.
I
That's
experienced.
definitely true. So I mean, अगर आप देखो तो आजकल के टाइम पे ये चीज हो रही है कि पेरेंट्स आर गिविंग इम्पोर्टेंस टू इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग नाउअडेज. अगर आप देखो तो इन जनरल छोटे छोटे कस्बों में हिंदी लेवल, मतलब हिंदी मीडियम की स्कूल लगभग खत्म ही है, राइट? हर जगह पे मतलब ये हो गया है कि मेरा बच्चा अब इंग्लिश मीडियम में जाएगा, राइट? सो अगर आप ये देखो कि अगर आप अपने घर के बड़े हो ना, तो शायद आप हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़े होगे या अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में पढ़े होगे, बट आपका छोटा भाई छोटी बहन पक्के से इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ा है वो, राइट? तो ये चीजें हो रही हैं. सी, देयर इज अ रेवोल्यूशन ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, ओके,
Actually.
राइट? बट हम लोग जो छूट गए हैं, जो नहीं कर पाए, अब हम लोगों को अपने लेवल पे ही करनी है. कोई आ नहीं रहा है अब हमें सिखाने.
That's the thing.
So that's something positive which we can take, that at least the younger generation will learn it. And उसके प्रेशर में हम लोगों को भी अपना सुधारना पड़ेगा. वही है.
Because
Let's
actually,
take it back.
there are some
So-
kids in my society, so they are very fluent with the words and with spellings, even if I ask them. So they are very good with it. And then I see myself, okay, fine, here I stand.
Yeah,
So
that happens.
basically it's because of this generation, maybe.
I get embarrassed when I'm speaking to some of my colleagues' kids here, not foreigners. Those guys are Indians. Okay. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll come back. I need to plug in my laptop charger. Sorry guys. So as I was saying, मैं कभी-कभी embarrass हो जाता हूँ अपने colleagues के बच्चों से जो कि 5 साल 6 साल के हैं, उनसे बात करने में, क्योंकि यार I can't speak the way they speak. Okay. I can't speak. I mean, I speak general English, right? जैसी एक normal Indian, average Indian बोल सकता है, मैं वैसे ही बोलता हूँ. They speak like, my God. So yeah, I mean that happens, but still.
And it's about,
At the end of the
confidence
day,
also.
yes.
Being
At
a
the end of the
child,
day, it's just a language. It's just a
actually.
way of communicating. It's just a way of expressing your feelings. That's it. I am very fascinated about the languages. When I was in Karnataka, I learned Kannada. When I was in Chennai, I learned a bit of Tamil. So it's fun. I love learning languages. I learn mimicking them. I love mimicking. I think that's why I learn languages as well. So yeah. So that's something which we need to develop. People are there who have been 10 years in Chennai. They will say that I don't understand a single word of Tamil. I would say it's about your choice. Nobody's forcing it on you. If you want to learn it, you can learn it. And that same thing goes with English. If you want to learn it, there is no way, no one is going to stop you.
So generally, when we think to speak English from now, then we don't find any topics to talk about. But when we talk in our mother tongue, we find some topic to talk about. It happens generally.
Whatever topic you are speaking in your native language, you can start speaking the same topic in English.
Yes, sir. But when I was in 10th, it happened with me a lot. Me and my friend, we don't find topic to talk about. But in our mother tongue, we start.
Actually, I have
Uh,
experienced the same.
I would say that is more of, you know, the environment thing. You just need a proper environment where you can, you know, bring something up. And as I was saying, right, these are the
No,
things
sir.
where,
The environment was quite good because I'm I'm CBSE student, so they're everyone use English or Hindi, right?
Mhm.
So still we didn't find any topic to talk about. It happens, sir. I experienced.
Happens. Yeah, I understand. It happens. Sometimes it happens, but yeah, we just need to work on these things. Even I get sometimes, you know, especially when I'm speaking with my client or something. Of course, they're Australians, and if I'm speaking with them, sometimes I'll be like, okay, अब क्या बोलूं, अब क्या बोलूं. लेकिन we just need to, you know, fill up that silence, and then we need to progress to come out of that hole, the dig which we have digged for ourselves. होता है, but ठीक है, करना पड़ता है, करते करते हो जाता है. एक हिंदी में कहावत है, करत करत अभ्यास के, वही वाली बात है.
Hello guys. Hello. I'm audible. Hello.